Hello and welcome once again. For today, I will show you my bullet journal. I've created this notebook. I've shown it in my previous video and I already set it up. It may sound crazy, but I really want to have both. So I'm doing the digital version and the real notebook. So I did it, or I used GoodNotes 5, and I've seen a lot of different digital journals that are so fancy and really with tabs. I tried to make one, but I'm not so good at it yet. So I decided to just use the given templates in GoodNotes, and I just made the lines. For the most part, I just doodled directly on GoodNotes 5, but like that red car, I did that on Procreate. I just wanted to try how it is. So there, it's very simple, and it's really fun to do. The cool thing about it is that I could, no matter how much mistakes I make, it's very easy to undo. It's very easy to erase. But with the real bullet journal notebook, I really have to be careful. I have to use pencil. And then another good thing, for GoodNotes, you could actually rotate some pages. So other pages may be portrait, and for that monthly spread that I have, I rotated it into landscape mode, and also no need for ruler in the digital planner because you could actually draw straight lines. For this border that I made in my notebook, I also didn't use a ruler. I just tried my best to make it straight by following the dots. And the difference is, for the digital planner, it's really very straight when you do it because there's an option for that you can just draw shapes. When you press a little hard, it will be formed into a fine shape instead of just your drawing. And for making an index, I use the outline version. You could actually name each of your page for you to easily look them up using the outline. And here, I could make a new page. I'm actually creating my February cover page. I just duplicated my January cover page, and then I'm gonna scribble it using my pen. I'm actually using the fountain pen option for the brush. There are only three: ball pen, fountain pen, and there's another one. And there, I could actually move it using that tool. I forgot what it's called. But yes, when I do that on paper, it's gonna take a while before I could actually move it. I have to rewrite it if that's what I wanted to do. But there, I was able to move the word. And here now it's landscape, so I could also change the positions of the pages as much as I want. And now I'm gonna try to create my first weekly spread. It's actually the second week of January. I didn't make my week spread for last week because I'm still on school break, so I have nothing much on my plate. But school will start on Wednesday, and now I'm about to create my weekly plan. So there, that's what I was talking about. You can actually make a straight line kahit hindi straight ang pagkakalagay. And then now I decided to just type in the words because I don't really write neatly. My handwriting isn't so nice. So and I also want to make use of my fonts. I have a lot of fonts installed. I have a video. I just made a video on how to install fonts on your iPad. You could go check that out if you like. And another thing about GoodNotes, you could open 2 documents at a time. So I am opening my sticker book. I made a sticker book. Maybe I'm gonna create a video on how to make a sticker book on the iPad using GoodNotes as well. So I have numbers. These are actually clip art. Because I'm a teacher, as I have mentioned before, I really have a lot of them in my file. I think I have about 8,000 clip art files that I have downloaded for all the worksheets that I make for Teachers Pay Teachers. And there. So I missed on number 7. I failed to transfer it. I don't know. It's still on my phone. I wasn't able to move it to my iPad. But later on, I'm just gonna draw it. Anyway, 7 is easy to make. So there. You can just drag and drop if you want to copy. So that's really fun thing to do. So there. 10, 11. And after doing that, you know what? I realized I made a mistake. See, wait for it. Look at the mistake. Oh, not yet. I will still draw my number 7. So much trial and error. I'm really not satisfied. Now it's a circle. Okay, fine. Make it bigger. Yan. Sige, pwede na yan. And then, I would color it in. Too big. Okay. You could actually adjust the thickness of your brush. Yan. And then, I'm just gonna go over it again with black outline. O, diba? Effort. So, there. After all that hard work, you will see my error, which is a crazy error. 7 for Wednesday is so wrong. Because, okay na yan. Kasi buburahin mo din yan. Look. Okay, I'm still about to make my lines. See? Oh, isn't it nice? It makes it straight. Is that a giraffe, Zach? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, see? Now, wait for it. There you go. Monday. See how much I flipped back and forth, realizing that Monday is not a 5, it's 6. And then I tried to erase it or move it, but the line keeps on going with it, of course. So I really could not remove it anymore. The only way is, see, the line is going with it, so I have to erase it. I'm just gonna erase it. No, it's not working. So okay, I will just erase. Move number 8. Move number 9, 10, 11, And then I'm gonna open my clip art once again, my sticker book. So 12. Okay, rotate, and I'm just gonna copy one. Press and hold, and there you go. 12. So for number 7, I'm just gonna draw it one more time. And what made me even more excited about this digital planning is that I could put images, photos, and digital stickers, digital papers anytime, as much as I want to. So I'm really looking forward to having to do that. So okay, so I decided to use color blue this time for my number 7, the real one. The correct one. And to finish off my week spread, I'm gonna put the month using text, and I'll change the font, and I'll put it right up the center on top. January 2020. Okay. So this is how I browse my pages, by clicking that icon on the top left, and this is the thumbnails view. And there's also, you will see their thumbnails, favorites, and outlines. So the outline serves as the index, so you are able to name each page, and it is automatically put onto your outline, and then from there you could easily browse your pages and you could easily find what you need. So it is best to put a label for every page that you make. So here I put January cover page, January month spread, add, and there, January week 2. Oh, I put 1, but it's supposed to be week 2. And then there's the outline view. You could easily browse what you are looking for because of the titles. So that's the index part. Okay. And you could also mark your favorites. And that's it for today. I hope I've inspired you to do crazy ideas just like I do. Two planners, just the same. Why not? Make mistakes. It's okay. Use the word actually 8 times in one video. Overuse it. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day. Bye.